So we're in Villajoyosa, and this is Tuesday the 16th of January, and we have a lovely day today. Yesterday was awful. It was cloudy all day, absolutely horrible. But today we have 22 degrees and the sun is shining, and we have a fair amount of blue sky. It's not blue wall-to-wall blue, but it's pretty damn good. And I'm being pushed around in a wheelchair, which is all I can do these days for the moment. My operation is due on the end of February, the 29th, and I will have 4 weeks of convalescence, and then after that I should be back walking, hopefully, because going in the wheelchair is not what I want to be doing. But obviously it's better than nothing, and the people pushing me, you know, are obviously very kind to do that. But there's nothing like walking yourself, especially when you're used to walking all the time. And prior to this problem I've had for a year, it was a case of I was walking 50 kilometers a week. So, you know, big difference from 50 kilometers down to not walking at all. But hopefully this is only short-lived, and the spinal problem will be sorted out, hopefully. But we'll have to wait and see. Beautiful old houses, because most people know that they're the old fishermen's houses back in the day. That's where the fishermen used to live. Now, I'd imagine that trying to buy one would cost you an arm and a leg. But beautiful views of the sea and the beach, looking over the promenade as well. Plenty of bars along here on this promenade. Don't forget you have the chocolate factory here as well. It's free to go and visit. You have to book though. Not sure if you get free samples or not. At this day and age, no one gives anything away for nothing, but you might be lucky. And obviously you have the beach here, which is fantastic. And even walking around the town, you know, the old town, it's a beautiful old buildings, they really are. So, you know, you must do that as well. There's quite a few people scattered around the beach, considering that the weather is not that brilliant. It has got cloudier since we've arrived, which is a shame. But it's still warm, you know, you can still feel the warmth in the air, you know, at 21, 22. This walkway goes a hell of a long way. Coming up on the left-hand side, we have like a park, and it has escalators on it that go up to the top road, up to the sort of the main town area. And but unfortunately, you have to walk down. So it's all right going up, and it's very easy to go up, but coming down you have to walk. So I can't go up there in the wheelchair, but it is nice. It's got a fountain up there, lots of seating, lots of plants. So yeah, it's quite a nice place to spend some time in. What sort of boat it is. The posts. Beautiful beach here. It's so long and it's pretty wide as well, and obviously all sand, and like most of the beaches here, they do look after them. I have the tractor on once a day, usually about 6 AM, and go up and down clearing it of any rubbish they might have. But it really is a nice beach. Don't forget, folks, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. It's totally free, and doesn't cost you a dime, but it does help me, like all other small YouTubers. Having subscribers is the key thing, and obviously if you watch the videos, because if you don't watch the videos, there's no point in making them. So please subscribe.